all of you. I hope you're all excited and ready for today's class on quadratic equations. Hello, Kirito, Gopal, Swati. Very good evening, guys, and I'm so happy to be here. And we are gonna have a very interesting session because I have brought some of the most important questions of quadratic from your February and March attempt. Why did I do that? Because quadratic is something easy. Everybody agrees with me on that. Why? Because we have studied quadratic equations right from our 10th standard. Okay, so that is why I brought this topic, and we will conquer every single question that came in your February and March attempt from this particular chapter alone. Everybody ready? Fantastic. Hello, Chris Cyrus. Welcome, man. Shreyas. Welcome, Shreyas. I'm so happy to see you here. Abhi Babi is also here. So, people, let us get started with this fantastic session on quadratic equations. Hello, Mayank. Welcome, Mayank. I'm very good. I'm doing great. I hope you're also excited. Hi, Surya. Welcome, Surya. So, people, before we get started with this amazing session, I would like to firstly introduce myself. Many of you might be seeing me for the very first time, so I want you to know who I am, what I've done, and why am I teaching you. Okay, so my background, people, is given over here. My name is Shimon Joseph, and I teach mathematics at Vedantu, and I teach for 11th and 12th standard. Okay, so I teach for the 11th and 12th standard students who are preparing for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Okay, and to talk about my background, I did my B.Tech from IIT Madras, and after I passed out from that college, I started teaching because I love to teach and I love to interact with students. Okay, fantastic. Now, what did I do when I was a student? When I was like you, I also prepared for KVPY. I also prepared for JEE Mains. And when I wrote JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers as well. So this is my Instagram ID. You guys can follow me here if you want to ask me any doubt. Let us say you have a question which is personal, you can't ask here, then you can message me over here. Got it? So this is my Instagram ID. Anytime you can message. Got it? Is that all right, people? Why is Wasim sir not taking classes? Wasim sir was not well. Okay, so he was having COVID positive. Just now he got better. So I think he might take classes from Monday. So that is why we made that post, right? Wasim sir is back. Even I saw that today. I was so happy, and I'm sure he is going to come back with an explosiveness. Okay. IISc good, of course. What are you talking about? IISc is one of the best colleges in India. Okay, so people, this is your last but one attempt at V.O.T.E. So V.O.T.E is nothing but Vedantu Online Talent Examination. I want every single person who is listening to this lecture, please do register yourself for this V.O.T.E exam, which is tomorrow. So tomorrow is the exam, which is gonna be for, I think, 2 hours for 11th and 3 hours for 12th, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so check it out and go write it. Okay, we already had 2 exams getting over on 28th March and 4th April. The next exam is on April 11th, which is tomorrow, and last exam is on April 18th. The link to register for this V.O.T.E examination is given below in the description of this video. Check it out. Once the class is over, go there, register, and you will have a great time. Because guys, these V.O.T.E performance reports are free of cost. You don't have to pay us anything. Okay, so you just have to write the exam. You will get a complete report. Because like we promised, V.O.T.E is not just an examination. It is a comeback for you. Comeback means what? Last year was a total mess. You had school becoming online, you didn't go meet your friends, you had a lot of difficulty. But you cannot let that affect your education. Because education, you just get 2 years, guys. If you miss this, you're done. You have to really work hard to make up for it. Got it? So try to make a comeback, and I have given you a very good option to do that. Okay, so do check it out and register yourself for this exam. Got it? Thank you, Barnidharan. I'm so happy you are enjoying my classes. Hello, Ankit. Welcome. I'm so happy to see you back again. Srinath, I will take a session on that. I'm going to take a session on it. So please do wait for it. I will let you know what all to do. Okay, definitely, Srinath. Hello, Chaitanya. Manjunath is also here. Very good evening, Manjunath. Nice to see you here. So let's get started, people. But before that, this is the very most important slide, I would say, because guys, this is the channel where I am teaching currently. This video is part of Enthuse channel. It is an English speaking channel, and in case you like it, do subscribe to it and spread the word, because we are a new channel. Not many people know about us. So that is where you guys can help. You can tag us in your photos or tag us in your Instagram, Facebook, and I would love to spread it across to people, because that is how we become a wildfire. Okay, that is the power of students, and that is the love you can show to all your teachers out here, for me, for Shreyas sir, and for Wasim sir. Okay, definitely, Gopal, I hope that comes true. We are also working very hard for that. Okay, so people, I hope everybody is clear. If you like the video, do share it, do spread it across to your friends as well. And now let's get started. Are you ready to revise quadratic equations which were asked in your February and March attempt? I'm going to talk about every question that came from quadratic in your February and March attempt, and we are going to see how difficult or how easy it was. Got it, guys? It is a very fun topic, so we will have fun, don't worry. And it will be a 1 hour session. I will most probably take up to 5:10 or 5:15. Fantastic, Shreyas. Amazing. Very good evening, Srinivasan. Samala Sai Vivek, welcome, man. I'm so happy you are here. And Kabil, welcome, Kabil. I'm happy to see you here, and welcome to Enthuse. So let's get started, people. The very first question is right on your screen. I'm going to give you guys exactly 2 minutes of time to think about it, try to solve it. After which I will solve it for you guys. Please get started. Everybody do it. Every single person. Fantastic, Ankit. That is the spirit. I want you to find the number of solutions of the equation 81 to the power sine square x plus 81 to the power cos square x equal to 30 in this interval 0 to pi. So how many solutions will you have? That is the question. Fantastic, Satyam Singh. I'm so happy you got this session. Now that we have started off with quadratic, go and nail it. Chaitanya says it is his shift question. Okay, Chaitanya, that's fantastic. So you should be able to get it correct. Isn't it? So do it, do it. I will wait for you guys. Very good, Shreyas. Ankit says B. Monkey D. Luffy. Kirito says also B. So we will check it. I will solve it completely for you. So let's begin, guys. How do we solve this question? This is nothing but 81 to the power sine square x. I will keep it as such. And this cos square x, I will write it as 1 minus sine square x. I hope everybody is cool with that. Are you all fine, my dear children? Yes. So now, by properties of exponents, I can write it as 81 to the power sine square x plus this can be written as 81 divided by 81 to the power sine square x is equal to 30. Are you all cool with that? This is the property of exponents which we studied in our 7th standard or 8th standard? Yes. Now what I will do is, now I'm going to apply my brain to use quadratic. So I will take 81 to the power sine square x, my dear children, as t. So I will have t plus 81 by t is equal to 30. Are you all clear? Now just solve it like a normal quadratic. T square minus 30t plus 81 is equal to 0. So if I factorize it, I will get t minus 27 into t minus 3 is equal to 0. So I will get t is equal to 3 or 27. Are you all fine with it? So I will get 81 to the power sine square x is equal to 3 or 27. Are you all fine? So that is how we solve it. After this, it is just a matter of minutes before I get the answer. Hello Snehal, welcome man. How to factorize quickly? That comes with practice, Kabil. Okay, so I know that 81 is nothing but 27 into 3 and we want 30 here. So that is how I figured it out. If you cannot factorize fast, Kabil, what you can do is you can use the quadratic formula. You can use the quadratic formula. Are you clear with it? Very good. Saumit, no Saumit, this is the very first question I'm doing. Snehal, you're not late Snehal, don't worry. Alex Tag, welcome Alex, very happy to see you here. Okay, so finally what is the answer? 81 to the power sine square x is equal to 3 or 27. Now wait a minute, I will convert everything to 3 to the power. So 81 is 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 sine square x will be 3 to the power 4 sine square x is equal to 3 to the power 1 or 3 to the power 3. So I will get sine square x is equal to 1 by 4 or 3 by 4. So what will be sine x? Sine x, my dear children, will be equal to plus or minus 1 by 4 root, then it will be plus or minus root of 3 by 4. So I will get plus or minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So I will get sine x to be positive only in this interval. Because in 0 to pi, sine x is positive. So I can only have positive solutions. So I will take sine x to be half and root 3 by 2. So when sine x is half, I'll have two solutions, which is pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. And when sine x is equal to root 3 by 2, that will also give me two solutions, which is pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. So how many solutions I have? I have 4 solutions, my dear children, not 2. Not 2. Are you all clear? Second quadrant is not negative. Who is that? Srinivasan. I have taught you trigonometry. Second quadrant sine theta is positive. I have told you very, very clearly. Kirti Haran, this is the very first question, Kirti Haran. So you are not late. I just started teaching 10 minutes back. Okay. So this is the very first question. If you enjoyed it, if you liked it, show me some excitement in the chat. Every single person. Krishnan Raman, welcome. Hello. I am very happy to see you here. Got it? Fantastic. So with that, people, let us move forward to the next one. Very good, Alex. Fantastic, Ankit. So that is the answer, my dear children. It is option D, 4, which is the correct answer. Many people told, sir, I got this question in my shift, but still you guys made a mistake. That is not acceptable. You should have at least solved your shift paper properly. Even after the exam. If you wrote today, I discussed the papers in YouTube. You should have seen your questions. You should have corrected yourself by now. If you are saying that, sir, I got this question in March, sir, and again if you are making mistake, guys, that is a serious warning. You need to change. That is not acceptable. Okay? Are you all clear? I hope you took it seriously. Now let's move forward to the next question. So this is question number 2 for all my dear students out here. Please try to solve it. It is a very nice question. Okay. Sumit Rai, yes, definitely, man. Please don't spam the chat. I will bring something up. Whatever we are doing now is also good for the droppers, right? Because you guys can attend any session. You can try to solve any chapter that you want. So we have some very good playlists in our channel. So go through them, Sumit. We have done so many videos in our channel. Use them wisely and I'm sure you will benefit from it. Especially our Zero to Hero series, most expected question series, you will love it. Okay, so go check it out. I'm sure you will have a good understanding of the subject. Okay, so Ankit says option C. Rushikesh, yes Rushikesh, we will do it Rushikesh. Yes, Ajo, we will plan it out, Ajo. I will plan it out. What are the entrance exams to prepare? What are the dates when you should register? All that I will do it sometime. Okay. So everybody seems to say option C is the right answer. So shall I start solving? So this is a very good question. And guys, one thing I noticed in JEE Mains, many questions came like this, guys. Okay. There were 3 questions like this in March attempt. In different shift, of course, not in the same shift. You can't expect that. But in different shift, you had questions coming from the same type. So be prepared for it. If you are not knowing this, when I am solving, you need to pay attention. You need to listen carefully. Okay. So please note it down when I'm solving. Shall we begin? So Mala, you have time, Mala. So don't worry, you can work on it. See, I told you now, Mala, you need to look forward. You cannot keep worrying, Mala, because if you worry, you will only doubt yourself, you will waste time, and you will get into negative feeling. So don't let that happen. You guys are all smart. Everybody who comes here, right? Everybody is gifted. Everybody is gifted. Only thing is you need to expose yourself. You need to bring that talent out. Okay. So that is why you need to spend some time. You need to hone your skills. Every single person, right, to bring the talent out, they will struggle. That is the path you are going through, Mala, right now. The path which you are going through right now might be hard. You might be, frustrated. You might be bored, irritated. Sir, I am not getting anything. I am not doing well. So that is very normal to feel. But I would say overcome it. Overcome it. You have to do it. You have to spend some time. Go through that process, because when you come out, Mala, you will really enjoy it. Take any star player. Let's say Messi. Let's say Cristiano Ronaldo. Dhoni. Virat Kohli. Everybody talks about them, right? Yesterday Virat Kohli played. Everybody is so happy. Like he is the star of India and all that. Do you know how much he struggled? Does anybody talk about that? He has been playing cricket right from what? 5 years of age or 6 years of age. Got it? So you need to understand that stardom or that overshining everybody, that comes with a lot of sacrifice, that comes with a lot of hard work. So that everybody should go through if you want to become somebody big, if you want to do well, if you want a good college. Got it? So understand that, put your best effort. I'm sure every single person out here will do it. Just like diamonds. Diamonds, how are they created? Diamonds are created under extreme pressure. Extreme pressure. Before that, diamond is just a dead and decayed matter of trees, plants and fossils, right? So that is how trees, plants and fossils, they get pressurized, compressed, and that is how you get diamonds. So without pressure, without any, uncomfortable situation, you cannot become something great. You need to go through that. That is the equation of life, guys. Very few people can make it big without any effort. Okay. So I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about normal human beings who are like me, coming from a very ordinary family. If you want to make it big, you need to struggle. That's how simple it is. When I say struggle, it is not negative. In fact, I enjoyed my struggle. I will not call it in a negative way. When I was in 11th and 12th, right, I worked hard. I got state rank 5, not because I was sleeping and not because I was so talented that I just went and wrote the exam and I got state rank 5. No, I really worked hard. I had my struggle, but I enjoyed the process because I surrounded myself with motivating people. I surrounded myself with excited teachers, with good mentors. That is what something you should pay attention to. That is something essential. You need to have good teachers, good mentors who will push you, who will motivate you. That should be there. Got it? So I hope you guys will also enjoy your struggle. It is just 2 years, but it is worth a lifetime. Okay? So let's come back and try to solve it, guys. So how do we do this? I have y is equal to 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by, now this 3 plus 1 by 4 plus, now I can take it again as y because it keeps going forever. So can I say that is y? This is the observation, this is the idea for this question. Are you all clear with it, everybody? The idea for this question is, you see the pattern, the second time it is repeating, you take it to be equal to y, because guys this goes up to infinity, so this portion is also equal to y. That's it. Now you solve it like a normal question. Y is equal to 3 plus y by 4y plus 1. Got it? Now you bring 3 to the other side and then multiply by 4y plus 1 and then equate it to y. Then solve it like a normal quadratic. What will I get? I will get 4y square plus y minus 12y. So I'll get minus 11y, right? Minus 3 is equal to y. So my quadratic will be 4y square minus 12y minus 3 is equal to 0. So what is y? Y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. 4ac by 2a, which will be 8. Are you all clear with it? So guys, we all know y is 3 plus something positive. This is a positive quantity. So y is 3 plus something. That means y is greater than 3. So I cannot take the negative number. I have to take positive. So it will be 12 plus root of 192 by 8. So that is my answer. I think that should be option B if I am not wrong. Is that correct, people? So the answer is B. Kirti Aran is right. And a lot of others are right. Guys, it is 11y only because I wrote equal to y, right? So I wrote it correctly only, guys. Please check it. Please check it. 11y only I have written, guys. What is the problem? Come on, please look at it carefully. Guys, I have written it carefully. Please check it. Right side, I am bringing this y to the left, man. Come on. Don't make me take you back to 7th standard. Please take it. Guys, that is why I keep telling. Take a pen, solve it along with me. Only then you will follow. Okay. So what I did is correct. Otherwise, how will I end up with the right answer, man? Got it? No problem. That is fine. But guys, that's okay. I am happy at least you are trying to solve, trying to check whether I am doing it correctly. I am happy. But when you are solving, take a pen, take a paper. You should not do it mentally. You should not just look at what I am doing. Okay. I hope you are doing that. Everybody take a pen and paper, and in fact you can also take a photo of you solving the questions, watching YouTube, and let me know in Instagram. Okay, so that will at least make me believe some of you are actually doing it. How to think what to do in permutation questions? Chaitanya, first I would say do NCERT. Okay, you need to be comfortable with questions in NCERT and then go for previous year's JEE Mains question. The more you practice, you will understand what kind of questions will expect what from you. It is just exposure and practice. Start from the utter basic level. Okay, fantastic. So here we go, people. The next question. Can you believe this kind of question was asked in JEE Mains? When I saw this question, I was shocked. Because guys, this is kind of easy. It is not that difficult. Okay. So everybody try it. Let's see if you can crack it. Hello Rishabh, welcome man. Yes, Alex, you can do previous year's questions. Exactly, Kirti Aran. But anyway, try it out. I want everybody to solve it. Okay. Hello Kamakshi, welcome man. Fantastic to see you back again. You are one of our early students. I am so happy you are back. Hello Sunil, welcome Sunil. So people, everybody try to solve this. This is a nice question. I want all of you to try it out. Please do it. Each and every student who is here, try to solve it, guys. Come on. I'm doing great, Kamakshi. Hello, Sujay. Welcome, Sujay. So what is the answer? So guys, we have P plus Q is equal to 2. And we need to find the equation where P and Q are roots. So that is given by x square minus P plus QX plus PQ. Do you all understand that? So the answer is x square minus 2x plus PQ. So do you all realize that? I just need to find out the value of PQ. Is that correct? I just need to find out the value of PQ. Is that correct? Did you all realize that? Okay. All of you cool with it? Very good, Sanjay Krishna. Superb, Sanjay. I'm so happy you did it. Chaitanya, I'm doing great, man. Thank you for asking. I hope you're also fine. Yes, Rishabh, I will tell you. I will talk to you guys about it at the end. Okay. Harsh, are you sure, Harsh? Because I think the answer is option D. Okay. I think the option D is the right answer. Hello, Satish. Hariharan, I will talk to you about it, Hariharan. When I talk about courses in IIT, I will make a separate session on that as well. So let me solve it. Please listen carefully, guys. Okay, so I am given P power 4 plus Q power 4 and that is equal to 272. So can I say P power 4 plus Q power 4 is P square plus Q square the whole square minus I will have 2P square Q square. Are you all cool with that? Are you all cool with that? Yes. Now P square plus Q square, I can write it as P plus Q the whole square minus 2PQ the whole square minus 2P square Q square is equal to 272. Are you all fine with that? Why did I write it like this? Because P plus Q, my dear children, is equal to 2 that is given in the question. So I want to bring that in my solution. Are you all cool with it? Yes. So now I will remove this and I'll start substituting the values. So I have P plus Q the whole square here. So that will be 2 square because P plus Q is 2. 2 square is what? 4. So I have 4 minus 2PQ the whole square minus 2P square Q square is equal to 272. Now let's open this and we will try to solve it. 4 square is 16 plus 4P square Q square minus you will get 16PQ minus 2P square Q square is equal to 272. So if I bring everything to one side, I will get 2P square Q square minus 8 or 16, right? 16PQ minus 256 is equal to 0. Now I will divide by 2. If I divide by 2, I will get P square Q square minus 8PQ minus 128 is equal to 0. So I will get PQ to be equal to 16 or minus 8. So I want P and Q to be positive numbers. So PQ should be positive. So PQ should be 16. That is why the answer is option D. Did you like it? Nishant, I have done 3 questions as of now. I have got 3 questions as of now. So we will move forward to the 4th question, Nishant. Hello, Aman, welcome, man. Shiva Prasad, fantastic. I hope everybody understood. Did you all like it? Did you see how easy it was? Simple, right? So Rishabh, please pull the video back and have a look at it, Rishabh. I'm sure you will be able to follow. Okay, because we need to solve more questions. We will slowly move forward. Okay, Rishabh, I would recommend you to just pull the video back slightly and then have a look at it. Hello, Abhinay, welcome, man. Fantastic, soccer addict. Welcome to this channel, man. So let's move forward, people. Like I always say, I attach the solutions of my questions over here in the PDF. You can download it once the class is over. Got it? You can download the session PDF after the class is over so that you can go through them. You can go through these good questions. Okay? Yes, Purvasha, I did by quadratic equations. Yes, yes, yes. Purvasha, I solved it by using the quadratic formula or by factorizing the middle term. You can factorize the middle term or you can use quadratic formula. Both will give you the same answer. Understood, Purvasha? You are right. You are right. Did you all like this question? Shall we all move forward? Fantastic, people. Let's get going to the very next question. But before that, many of you were asking, Sir, how can I improve? You all have great questions, right? You all have great questions to ask. How to get into IIT, how to get into NIT, what branch to choose. Guys, first of all, right now, I would ask you to worry about your JEE Mains. You have 2 more attempts. And you know what I realize? I realize people are taking JEE Mains April attempt a bit casually. Do you sense that? I don't know. Somehow as a teacher, I feel the seriousness of February and March attempt, people are not having in April attempt. I don't know why. Maybe because of board exam, because you are writing the 3rd time, so you feel, sir, 1 more attempt is there, sir, I'll see. So that kind of attitude is not good, because let me tell you why. You can actually capitalize this. How can you capitalize this? Because people, if others are casual and if you become serious, your percentile will drastically improve. Why? Percentile is relative. If others are casual and if you do well, your percentile will go skyrocketing. So don't take April attempt lightly, because it might be your secret chance to increase your percentile by doing smart work. Got it? Because every attempt, the best of your 4 attempts is going to be chosen. So if you get April attempt 99 percentile and let's say February and March you got 75, 85, your April attempt will be chosen. Isn't that smart? You got 75 in February, you got 85 in March just by, relaxing. Now April alone you became serious and you got 99. Guys, that is your best percentile. So that is what they will take. So don't you think that is amazing? Exactly. So when you can do that, why are you relaxing? Okay, so don't ever forget that. If you want to do well and if you need some guidance, let's say, sir, I want some mentors. Alone, I'm not able to do. Alone, if I study, I'll study for 1 day, sir. Right now, what you told makes me happy. I am very motivated, but I'm sure tomorrow morning I'll be back to my normal self. I will not do anything. So guys, if you are someone like that, many of us are like that, okay? I can't be motivated all the time. I honestly accept. Even I prepared for many exams. Some of the exams I have not done well. Okay, I will talk to you about it some other time. But so sometimes I also don't carry motivation for a long time. That is natural, guys. That's how we are. Okay, but what you can do is you can have some great teachers who can take charge of you. So I take accountability for my students. That is what Vedantu has taught me. Vedantu always cares for students. So in case you want someone to be there for you, pull you up, keep track of you, send you assignments, send you tests, send you questions, make sure you solve. So that can be done with the help of this. So that is why I have shown you this, because guys, this course, crash course, started on April 5th. So this is a very nice designed program. It is for 2 months. You can use it for April attempt. You can use it for May attempt. So both these attempts you can use this crash course, and for what price? For 6,000 rupees. For just 6,000 rupees. Mathematics, physics, chemistry with top teachers. The teachers are themselves from IITs, from NITs. So that will inspire you, no? You are getting taught by someone who has written the exam, who has gone into NIT, who has studied there, and now he is teaching you. So that is itself a validation, right? So for example, I studied in IIT Madras. So I teach my students, they feel, okay, so it is interesting, it is motivating to study from someone who has done it. So that is how our programs are. None of our teachers are gonna be, less skilled or underskilled. Everybody has some fantastic background. Go meet them, enjoy these classes, because at this price, trust me guys, okay, off record means not as part of Vedantu. If I'm a normal observer, let's say I am just your friend, I am Kirito's friend, or I am Sparsh Agarwal's friend, what I would say is this price you cannot get in internet at the end of the day. Okay, so for all 3 subjects, this price, never. Got it? So use it. The link I have given you in the chat, just click on that link and go and check it out. Okay, fantastic people. So let's move forward to the very next question right on your screen. Okay, so here we go. Sparsh. Okay, I'm sorry man, I'm from South. So I just pronounce literally like what you have typed there. Okay, so I'll call you Sparsh. And someone was asking, sir, is it easy to get into IIT without knowing Hindi? What question is that? Seriously? Who is that? Is it possible to get into IIT without knowing Hindi? Next level man you are. Who is that? I think Kirti, right? These kind of questions Kirti only can ask. Okay. So Ashmita is here. Welcome Ashmita. I am so happy to see you. Manisha. Very good Manisha. You are awesome. You are awesome. So guys, exactly Kirti. I kind of predicted. Guys, you don't need to know Hindi. I didn't know Hindi, man. I studied in IIT Madras. So it is not mandatory. But of course, I do regret that I didn't know Hindi, because if I knew Hindi, I would be able to connect with a lot of students today. Okay, so if I knew Hindi, I will talk to so many of my North Indian friends over here in Hindi, and that would be awesome. But anyway, I'll try to learn sometime. Maybe in the future, I will talk to you in Hindi. Okay. Hello Shreyash, welcome man. When is binomial theorem? Karthik, we will let you know Karthik. Today is quadratic. Okay, so let's do quadratic only. Aman is saying option C. Shiva is saying option D. Gandham Ramesh, 84 is not enough. You need to at least get into 90 plus or 95. So I would say maybe you guys can go and check out the crash course. Ramesh, please check out the crash course. It can help you move from 84 to 95. Got it? Gwen Stacy, you are not blocked. I can see your chat. I can very easily see your chat. So don't worry. So people, let me solve this question. First of all, what is centroid? Centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. Okay. So what will I have? I'll have a is equal to 4, my dear. Okay. And what else we know? We know that ABC are in arithmetic progression. So can I say 2b is equal to a plus c? So 2b is equal to 4 plus c. So I will get 2b minus c is equal to 4. Is that right? Absolutely. So now add it. This two will get cancelled. So I'll have 4b is equal to 11. So b, my dear children, is 11 by 4. Did you all get that? Everybody? So I got A, I got B. That's it. Now I'll move to the next part of the question. Shall I erase this? Shall I erase this, everybody? Very good. Srinivasan, the answer is option D, I think. It is not C. I think the answer is D. Manisha told it correctly, and so did a few others, Shiva and others. Yes, Nehal, Wazim sir is back. He will start taking sessions from Monday. So people, I'm gonna erase this. So I got A to be 4 and B to be 11 by 4. So this quadratic will become 4x square plus 11 by 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the roots are alpha and beta for this equation. So if the roots are alpha and beta, my dear children, I will have the sum of the roots to be minus b by a. Minus b by a. So 11 by 4 with a minus sign divided by 4, that will become minus 11 by 16. Now, what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So c by a will be 1 by 4. Are you clear? Now this I want to find out. So I can write it as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 3 alpha beta. Can I say this is the same as this? Are you all okay with that? Everybody? Fantastic people. So I will have minus 11 by 16 whole square minus 3 alpha beta is 1 by 4. Are you guys okay with it? Hello Samiksha, welcome Samiksha. So wonderful to see you. Okay, so this is going to be 121 by 256 minus, you will have 3 by 4. So that's going to be 123 by 4, right? So that'll be 192. So 3 by 4 can be written as 192 by 256. So that is going to be minus 71 by 256, which is your option D. I hope you got it. So 3 by 4, right? I took LCM. So I am multiplying by 64 to the numerator and denominator. So 3 into 64 is 192. So that the denominators are same and I can subtract them directly. Are you guys clear with it? Did you all like it? Very good, Akash, Kirti Aran, Saumit, fantastic. I'm so happy that you guys have understood it. Are you all clear with it? Snehal, it is not every day, Snehal. I am trying to mix and match everything. I will do 0 to hero also. I will do most expected questions. I will also do trigonometry, and next week I am starting Pathfinder. Okay, so when we have a lot of good series, you guys can benefit a lot. You will have different flavors of each series and you can make use of whatever you want. Got it? Yes, Kirti Aran, Killer 5 is starting today. Shreyas Sir is taking the video. Okay, so please do check it out and benefit from that. Okay, very good people. Now let's move forward to the very next question that I have right on your screen. This is a fantastic question. Chanveer Singh, I don't speak Hindi, man. I am from South India, so I speak only English and Tamil. Okay, so that is why I don't speak in Hindi. And moreover, Chanveer, this is a English channel, man. Okay, so that is why we don't speak in Hindi, but I'm trying to learn. Okay, so that at least next year I will try to speak properly. Tips to score full marks. Rishabh, practice, practice, practice. Hard work, hard work, hard work. Solve previous years, solve previous years, solve previous years. And be good at your basics. All that is what will make you a topper. Okay. Probability, yes. In the crash course, Gandham, Ramesh, you have all the topics that you want. PNC, probability, they will teach you right from the basics. I have given you the link to join the crash course. Go and check it out, Gandham, Ramesh. You will benefit from that. Okay. JEE Mains paper is by NTA, National Testing Agency. Got it? So they only gave you the Abhyas mock test papers, right? So use that. Ravi Pratik, thank you so much, Ravi Pratik. That is so nice of you. Your Tamil is very good. Thank you, Vinu Vinayak. Fantastic, guys. So people, let's try to solve this question. First of all, I have this thing, right? I will take it as something like k. So I have e to the power k ln 2. So can I say it is e to the power ln of 2 power k, and that will be equal to 2 power k? Are you guys aware of these properties? Are you guys aware of these properties? So Gwen Stacy, you mean the crash course for 12th standard? The crash course for 12th standard is designed for epic performance in your JEE Mains, April attempt and May attempt. So in case you want to improve your percentile by 10 or 20, from 70 to 90 or 80 to 95, you can make use of the crash course. It is just 6,000 rupees if you use my coupon code. I have given you the link in the description. Okay, micro courses, I will talk about it towards the end of this session. Gwen Stacy, please wait for it. Okay. Hello Jaydeep. Hello Aishwarya. Let me check whether you are right or wrong. I think you are right, Aishwarya. Kirito is also correct. Solar Pharma, Guru Swami, you guys are all absolutely epic. Very good. Okay, Shreyas. Even I tried many times, man, Hindi. In fact, I do speak Hindi. Like, I can ask, like, I can survive somewhere. So I stayed in Mumbai. So I used to take autos, right? So I used to say, Bhaiya, udhar drop karo. Like, idhar drop karo. So I know all the basic ones. Like, I went to a supermarket and I bought some vegetables. Then I had to pay money, right? So I know all these basic things. But I can't talk fluently. Because in Hindi, the biggest problem is, you have gender for everything, man. Like, sun is male, right? And land is female. So that I make mistakes. And it's very bad when I make mistakes like that. So that is why I don't speak in Hindi. Okay, so guys, let's try to solve this. So it is going to be 2 to the power k. K is what? Cos square x plus cos power 4x plus cos power 6x and all the way up to infinity. So this is an infinite GP. What is the sum of infinite GP? Sum of infinite GP is a by 1 minus r. So that is going to be 2 to the power cot square x. Now 2 to the power cot square x is equal to this root. So what are the roots of this? The factorize it now. So it will be t square minus t minus 8t plus 8 is equal to 0. So I'll get t is equal to 1 or 1 by 8. Is that correct? 1 or 8, right? I think 1 or 8, not 1 by 8. So I'll get t equal to 1 or 8. So cot square x is equal 2 to the power cot square x is equal to 1 or 8. Now 1 can be written as 2 to the power 0 or 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So I will get cot square x is equal to, I will get 0 or 3. So now it lies between 0 to pi by 2, your x. Got it? So cot x cannot be 0 because cot x is 0 at pi by 2. But x cannot be equal to pi by 2. So 0 is not possible. So cot square x is equal to 3. So cot x is equal to root 3. Why root 3? Because first quadrant it is positive. So cot x is equal to root 3. Now divide. This is what you have to find out. Divide numerator and denominator by sin x. So you'll have 2 by 1 plus root 3 cot x. So it will be 2 by 1 plus root 3 into root 3, which will be 3. So the answer is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. And that is what is option D. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Every single person, did you guys understand it? If you want to solve questions like this, in case you want to practice questions like this, then please check out the link which I have shared. Please take your April attempt seriously. Try to score well so that you can increase your percentile. Don't give up right now. Don't take April attempt casually. I have given the link just in the chat. Use it. Snehal, you're not blocked, man. I can see your messages. I can see all your messages. It is just that I was solving, so I didn't respond. Okay. Why log 2 is written? I converted it, Aman, by using properties of logarithms. Chaitanya, I have already taken a session on logarithms. Please check it in the channel. I told you already, there are some great sessions in this channel which you guys are not aware of. Everybody is following only the live lectures. Guys, we have taken some fantastic courses previously also. So go to our channel, just type logarithms by Shimon Sir. You will get it. Watch that and then you will thank me. Okay. Series expansion is required for mains also. It is important. Now Amen, there is a log property like this. E to the power, let's say this is k, Amen. Let's say this is k, okay. So we have e to the power k ln 2. I can write it as e to the power ln 2 power k because I can take this constant to the power of 2. Now this amen is nothing but 2 power k. That is the property of logarithms. E to the power ln something is equal to that something. That is why amen I removed the log by making it 2 power k. Got it? That comes from properties of log amen. Okay, amen. How to start advanced preparation? Purnima, first you need to increase your level from mains. Cover all those portions which are required for advance. For example, in quadratic location of roots. In limits, you need to study Newton-Leibniz theorem, series expansion. Like that, every chapter will have certain topics which are important for advance. Learn them first. Solve a book like Cengage. Cengage is a good book. Solve that, then go to previous year's advanced questions. That is what you can do. Okay. Thank you, Shaikh Taufik. Welcome, man. So happy to see you here. Now let's proceed to the next question, my dear children. Here we go. Again, a brilliant question. Snehal, Killer 5, you can watch it. You will enjoy it. Because like I promised, every question I will explain in such a way that any JEE Mains aspirant will understand. Okay? Any JEE Main aspirant will understand. I will explain it in a detailed manner. So you can watch it, but how you make use of it, that is up to you. Because you need to work very hard if you want to go to advanced level. So organic Chaitanya, you need to put a lot of effort. See, right now it may not make sense. If you are in first chapter, let's say general organic chemistry, don't worry. With general organic chemistry alone, you can't solve everything. So first spend time learning all the things. Once you cover, let's say 4 or 5 chapters, then slowly things will start making sense. Okay. So don't give up just by learning 1 or 2 topics of organic. Sir, I studied hydrocarbons, sir, and I studied GOC, I studied alkanes alone. But still I am finding it very hard, sir. Guys, you didn't study anything. 3 chapters is nothing. You need to study at least 6 to 7 chapters, including isomerism. Then slowly things will start making sense. Got it? Slowly. Organic, I know, because I also found it a bit difficult in my 11th and 12th. Especially JEE advanced portion, I used to find it very hard, organic. Because guys, the thing with organic is, if you are consistent and if you learn everything in a systematic manner, then it is beautiful. It makes sense. It is like calculus. But if you learn only one topic and if you say, sir, I'm not getting all the questions, then you need to spend more time. As simple as that. Consistency, memorizing, remembering, and revising. These are the 4 important parts for organic. Okay? Fantastic. Perfect. So guys, shall we move forward? Exactly, Kirtiaran. So let's try to solve this. This is a fantastic question. Why? Because I love quadratic with modulus. With modulus means every student will get scared. All of you guys will be like, sir, what to do, sir? Such a tough question you gave. That too, it was asked in February attempt. How do I even start solving this? Guys, it is very simple. Just don't freak out. Okay? Do it patiently, you will crack it. How? Take cases. Case 1. What is case 1? X is lesser than 5. If x is lesser than 5, my modulus will open as minus of x minus 5. Now I will solve it. X square plus 1 plus 2x minus x plus 5 is equal to 27 by 4. So what will I get? X square plus x plus 6 is equal to 27 by 4. So I'll get 4x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So that you guys can try solving. And what will you get if you factorize it? 4x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So I'll get 2x common. I'll get 2x plus 3 minus 1 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So I'll get x is equal to 1 by 2. I'll get x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Both are valid because both are less than 5. Are you guys correct? Are you guys clear? Yes. So since x is less than 5 is my case 1 and both my solutions are lesser than 5, these two are my solution. So 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 are correct. But wait a minute, that is not all. That is not all because case 2 is still there. Don't hurry. Don't hurry. Okay. If you hurry, you will end up wrong. Okay. So please wait. Now case 2. What is case 2? X is greater than or equal to 5. Now it will open as x square plus 1 plus 2x plus x plus 5. I'm sorry, x minus 5, right? Yeah. So modulus will open as plus x minus 5 is equal to 27 by 4. So now what will I get? I'll get x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 27 by 4. So I'll get 4x square plus 12x minus 16 minus 27 will be minus 43 equal to 0. So what are the roots of this? Can you guys find it out? What are the roots of this? Can you guys find it out? So the roots of this will be what? Let's say x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square, which is 144 plus 4ac. So 4 into 4 into 43. So it will be 16 into 43 divided by, you will have 2a. So guys, both of these will be less than 5. So both these roots is less than 5. So therefore, this case is x greater than 5. Therefore, it is no solution. So for case 2, there is no solution. Case 1, there are two solutions. So the answer is totally 2 plus 0, 2 solutions. Are you clear? Did you like it? Hello, Amol Sandeep. Welcome, man. Tejaswini, welcome Tejaswini. So nice to see you. Hello, Hema Prakash. Satyam Singh Rajput. Many people have said that, man. I look like Dhruv Segal. I have checked it out. I think I look a bit similar. I don't know. The difference is he can speak Hindi and I cannot. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. So guys, I hope you got it. Now let's move forward. FLOA. What is FLOA? Thank you, Aman. I'm so happy you are enjoying it. Can we directly guess from experience that x greater than 5 is not possible? No, Katie. Haran, you have to solve it. Okay, you need to solve it. Hello, Divinity Love. Radha Krishna, welcome. Yes. No, see, Ajitesh, you cannot say that, Ajitesh. See, Ajitesh asked a very good question. Okay, so let me solve that for you. So Ajitesh is saying, sir, in case 1 we got two solutions and this is a quadratic, sir. A quadratic will always have two solutions at maximum. So we already got two solutions. Then why are you solving, sir? What are you doing? Because, let me give you a question. Let's say mod x square minus 5 mod x plus 6 equal to 0. How many solutions does this have? Is it 2? Is it 0? Is it 4? Is it none of the above? Nota. Can you guys tell me? The answer is 4. The answer is 4 because I can factorize this as mod x minus 3 into mod x minus 2 is equal to 0. So mod x is equal to 3 or 2. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. X is equal to plus or minus 2. So when you have modulus, things change. Did you understand it, Ajitesh? Ajitesh, did you understand it? I hope you got it. So when we have modulus, that property does not stay. What property? That a quadratic will have only two roots. That will not stay. Got it? I hope you got it. That's a good question. That is why I discussed it. Okay. Thanks for asking that. Now let's move forward, dear students. This is the next question for all of you. Please try to solve it, guys. Everybody. Okay? Guruswami, this question was direct solving by taking cases. That is a better way of solving it. Okay? Yes, Aman. Very good, Ajitesh. I'm happy you understood it. Guru, the better way of solving this question was taking cases only, Guru, not graph. This is not a graph question, the previous one, right? No. Shivu Kumar Nuchi, welcome. I'm so happy to see you. Payal, you are absolutely right, Payal. Fantastic. Guys, for this question to be true, that means what? You want your quadratic equation to be always above the x-axis. How is this possible? If you want your graph to be always above the x-axis, then your discriminant must be less than 0. Payal was absolutely right. C should be greater than 0 or less than 0. D is less than 0, right? Yeah. So now I can cancel 4 and 4. I will get 9k square plus 1 minus 6k minus 8k square plus 7 is less than 0. So I will get k square minus 6k plus 8 is less than 0. So I will get k plus k minus 2 into k minus 4 is less than 0. So k is gonna be having the roots as 2 and 4. Now I'll use wavy curve method. I will plot the roots, Murli. Murli, listen carefully. The roots are 2 and 4. I'll plot them. And from the right hand side, I will draw a curve which goes zigzag. So to the right side of 4, it is positive. Between 2 and 4, it is negative. To the left side of 2, it is positive. We want negative region. So the answer is k belongs to 2, 4. Both are not included. Why not included? Because equality with 0 is not asked. They asked less than 0. So what is the only integer here? The only integer here is 3. So k is equal to 3, which is option A, my dear students. Did you like it? Did you all like it? Very good, Santosh. Santosh Khosla is right. Harsh Kanani, very good. Kirti Aran, Vignesh Kumar. Srinivas Rao, yes, Srinivas Rao. So first of all, Srinivas Rao, we had a quadratic equation which is always positive. That means your discriminant is less than 0. If your discriminant is less than 0, then your b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That is exactly what I have done. And I have solved the question with the help of wavy curve. Are you clear? Mystic Malayali, I would say 95, up to 95 you can achieve Mystic Malayali. But getting more than 95 to 98, that requires some hard work. See, I'm not saying it is not possible. It is possible. But depends on how much energy and how much willingness you have. See, I would suggest you to check out the crash course. Because in the crash course, we teach you all the necessary chapters to break into 90 percentile and above. You can take that help because right now it is available just for 6,000 and maybe you can try to break into 95. 95 is possible. 98 comes with lot of effort, lot of sweat. You need to really work hard, okay? But 90 to 95 you can do it with just smart work, man. You just need to be smart, work hard and you will get it. As simple as that. Okay, so this I guess is the last question for the day. And exactly like I said, I will stop by 5:10. So everybody please try to solve this, guys. This is a very nice question which was asked in February attempt. I want all of you to try it out. Come on, people. Very good. Solar Pharma is saying that this question was there in my shift. Fantastic. Now try it out. It's a good question. Thank you, Mystic Malayali. I'm so happy you liked it. But please work hard. I will be happy if you guys achieve what you dream of. That is what makes a teacher happy, right? So do well, work hard, and come out with flying colors. Very good, Shruti. Shruti, you are awesome. That's absolutely right, Shruti. Kirito, as always, what is this? Do it, man. Come on, solve it. You can't take 1 because I think you have P of n minus 1, right? So can you find P of 0? I think you can. So yeah, you can take, it's fine. You can try to do that. Shashank, very good. I'm happy you liked it. So Aman, like I said, first look at the papers of February and March attempt. Go through the papers. In fact, you can even solve them. Understand how it is, how difficult or how easy it is. Know how you are performing in that, because your April attempt will also be similar. Got it? So please try it out. That is the first thing you need to do. Do that and then I will advise you what to do next. Okay. Yes, Nancy, no problem. So guys, this question, the answer is 324. So how do we do that? First of all, P of n is equal to alpha per n plus beta per n. Now guys, alpha and beta are the roots of what? Alpha and beta are the roots of what? We have alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Alpha beta is equal to minus 1. So can I say they should satisfy this equation? Alpha and beta should satisfy this equation because x square minus sum of the roots times of x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. So alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic. Can you all agree with me on that? So can I say alpha square is equal to alpha plus 1, beta square is equal to beta plus 1. Okay, now I am going to multiply alpha to the power n minus 1 to this equation, beta to the power n minus 1 to this equation. So I will get what? I will get alpha to the power n plus 1 is equal to alpha to the power n plus alpha to the power n minus 1. Similarly, beta to the power n plus 1 is equal to beta to the power n plus beta to the power n minus 1. Now add both these equations. If I add both of them, I'll get P of n plus 1 is equal to P of n plus P of n minus 1. So what is P of n plus 1? It is 29. P of n we want to find. P of n minus 1 is 11. So what is P of n? P of n is equal to 18. So 18 is P of n. We want 18 square. 18 square is 324. That, my dear students, is how we solve it. Yes, fantastic. I hope you guys have all understood it. Okay. So are you guys clear with it? Everybody? So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's class. So people, if you want to improve your next attempt, I told you, April attempt, many students are taking it casually. So please make sure you are moving forward. Okay. And why you isolated alpha square? Okay, so many of you are still not clear with that. So let me explain it. So I isolated alpha square is equal to alpha plus 1 because if I multiply by alpha to the power n minus 1, I'll get alpha to the power n plus 1 is equal to alpha to the power n plus alpha to the power n minus 1. So that will lead to a relationship between P of n plus 1, P of n minus 1. Because I need to get a relationship between the three now, Solar Pharma. Solar Pharma, I need to check a relationship between the three, right? Because we are given n plus 1, we are given n minus 1, and now we want P of n. So I need to relate all the three, right? So that is why I did that. Similarly for beta, I did the same. So I will get this. Now I added both of them. If I add both of them, what? P of n plus 1, right? If I add both of them, I'll get alpha to the power n plus 1 plus beta to the power n plus 1, which is P of n plus 1. Now these two, if I add, it will be P of n, exactly. And this will be P of n minus 1. So that's what I did. Got it? Okay. Cyrus, I hope you got it. Chris Cyrus, no problem. Solar Pharma, I'm happy you understood it now. So guys, those who are still looking forward to improve your percentile, let's say you are right now at a 70 or 80 percentile mark, guys, you can easily go to 95. Many people don't have the faith in themselves. They don't have the belief that you can go above 90. Okay, so I want to break that disbelief. I want to break that faithlessness that you have. Guys, it is possible. Many people are not very confident. That's why I keep saying, now, believe in yourself, guys. Be confident. You guys can do it. You guys are all smart. Only thing is you need a little push. You need to, go in the right direction. That is what you miss. Got it? So try to make sure that you guys are in the right direction. Now Chris is asking a good question. So sir, how did you get alpha square is equal to alpha plus 1? Because Chris, you forgot to listen the previous thing. Alpha and beta are the roots of this, Chris. So alpha square minus alpha minus 1 is 0, na? So I took these two to the right side. That's it. I didn't do anything else. Got it? And how did I get this equation? Chris, it was given alpha plus beta is minus 1 and alpha beta is minus 1. So how do you form a quadratic equation? X square minus sum of roots times of x. This was plus 1. Yeah. Plus product of roots. So I will put x square minus of 1 x plus product of roots is plus 1. Understood now? Did you get it now, Chris? I hope you got it. Anish, go through the video again, Anish. You will be able to follow, man. And moreover, this is very good. This is a very good session, man. We discussed nice questions. And all of them came in JEE Mains, Anish. Okay. So you're supposed to know them. Try to go through it. Maybe you will understand it. Okay. And guys, like I said, don't give up. Use the crash course. I will also be teaching in this course. Maybe if you want to be a part of it, join it. You can message me here if you have any questions to ask. This is my Instagram ID. The same is my Telegram ID also. If you guys plan to join with my coupon code, which will lead you into my batches, where you have All India Test Series, doubt solving, guidance and mentorship, then do message me. I will want to guide you. I will want to take responsibility for all of you. Okay. So this is the coupon code. This is the price. You guys can make a note of it. All those who are interested to join. How to think? Chaitanya, that is not a very not intuitive step. Actually, that is very intuitive because you need to relate P of n plus 1 and P of n minus 1. If you want to relate all the three of them, you need to do that. So it will automatically strike when you are in that mood of exam, right? You guys will understand that. Yes, Nirmal, the class is over. So guys, this is the Telegram group of our channel. Do join it if you want to know more about us. Stay updated about the happenings of our channel. Okay. And last but not the least, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we have some great sessions planned for you. Okay. And do share the video with your friends if you enjoyed it, and do like it and comment down below whether you enjoyed it. Okay. Okay, Kirito, I was noting that many of my regular people are not there. I don't know why. I think you guys were busy. Okay guys, so with that we will conclude our session. Take care. All the very best, my dear ninjas. Do well, and we will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you all.